Not going to lie to you, everyone. Bryce doesn't have the happiest topics on the show today, and that's okay. Bryce, I didn't know there's more than seasonal issues involved when it comes to SAD.
SAD, as you mentioned, the acronym Seasonal Affective Disorder is just one of them. We've got a bunch more of this SAD, SAD acronym. It's not we want to hear all this bad and sad news, but the good news is really that I've got solutions if you are indeed suffering from seasonal affective disorder.
You know, so many viewers at home are sitting there thinking, Bryce, get out of my mind, because that's the cycle that so many of us are going through, sleeping in later, staying up later, and then feeling hungry, eating the wrong things, and then getting in a funk, and it goes on and on and on. So we know the issue, Bryce. What are some fixes you would recommend?
Now, you know what, Trace? There's another SAD that I'd like to talk about, and it's called the Standard American Diet. You heard of this?
Okay, so we're talking about the food we're putting in our body, and it's not working out for our brains, is it?
It's all wrong. You know, what we're doing is we're over-consuming deficient, micronutrient-deficient foods, carbohydrates, certainly a lot more in these days. Again, the pandemic, we're consuming too much snack food, too much quick food, too much order-in food. And ultimately what that does, beyond pack on the pounds, is it causes our brain, just as you alluded to short-circuit, and mood is lower. But things like we've heard of these saturated fats like avocado oil, coconut oil, ghee. Ghee is a traditional Indian type of clarified butter, really healthy for the brain. Malaysian red, and the red is, I'll explain why in a second, super brain healthy. Malaysian sustainable, by the way, palm fruit oil. And so this is really, really healthy for the brain, and it's got a high smoke point. You can cook with it and stir fry with it. But the red comes from the pigments that contain beta carotene and tocotrienols. That's a type of vitamin E, super healthy for the brain, for mood, and overall, by the way, heart, disease prevention, Trace.